and the heroes ng Calabarzon. So a big test coming up for these two teams. Who will take the gold in this 5-on-5 high school boys basketball tournament? Paterbonia and Valencia will jump it up at center court. And we're now underway dito po sa Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. And here comes Paterbonia. He'll have a first touch from 3. And here comes Calabarzon. And there's Ali Mamawag, one of their reliable guards sa lineup ng Calabarzon region. That's a 3-point attempt from Mayor. That rolls out. Rebound tracked down by Paterbonia.
Interestingly here, Direk Duterte will come off the bench. He started the game kahapon and played heavy minutes. You saw the fatigue and how he was being treated in the bench kahapon. Down the stretch, he was being put in yung mga ice, yung mga minamasahe na siya just to keep him fresh. But right now, he'll come off the bench.
So plenty of time on the shot clock. Sanoria tracking 3 defenders. Cayetano. 3 is missed. Long rebound tracked down by Maki Pellegrino. Almost knocked away. Cayetano. You can see the swarming defense. Bayenting. 3 is missed. And good box out from Gonzalez ng Calabarzon region. San Diego thought about it. About a minute gone by here in the opening frame of this gold medal game. San Diego will try his luck from 3 and Paterbonia with a big boy rebound. Bayenting will direct traffic para dito sa Eagles ng Davao region. Ang Paterbonia able to locate Maki Pellegrino. Goes aggressive, but that was stripped away. And here comes Mamawag on the fast break. Paterbonia looks to challenge. And Sanoria skying for the rebound, as he got hooked there on the fast break and a foul.
Gotta give credit to James Sanoria, lalo na kahapon. And we saw a lot of effort from JM Sanoria, especially yung mga second chance efforts, offensive rebounds. He was everywhere, blocks, steals. He was the man of the hustle yesterday on their big win against NCR.
So papasok na po off the bench. That's Reinhardt Panaligan by the solid outing in the semifinal round. Pellegrino, great discipline on defense. And Pellegrino with the first bucket for the Eagles.
Despite the turnover earlier of Maki Pellegrino, he kept going. He had a rough game kahapon. A lot of misses for Maki Pellegrino this time, starting this game on a high note. Good sign if you're a fan of Davao region, as this is a 3 for Southern Tagalog.
Ito, Bayenting. You can see the trap at the mid-court line. Ibigay dito kang Maki Pellegrino. Now matching up against Gonzalez. Pellegrino, ibigay ng pick si Sanoria. Able to pick it up. Bayenting to the corner. Cayetano, 3 on the way. Misses. And Paterbonia cleans it up for the first bucket of the game for Rene Paterbonia.
Davao region crashing the boards. They have the size advantage inside. Southern Tagalog, you can say undersized talaga sila compared to the matchup of Davao region. That time, 2 guys crushing the board. Paterbonia and Sanoria, and Paterbonia with an easy put in.
Oh, that was a difficult pass, but a good catch by Mamawag. 3 to shoot. Jacks it up. Comes up short. Here comes Rices Bayenting. Will take it across. The pull-up on the way. This time missed. Ball last touch by Calabarzon. And here comes Derek Duterte, one of their top scorers on the lineup of Calabarzon. Had a solid game in the semifinals itong si Derek Duterte. Cayetano, another attempt from the left corner. Mintis puts it right back. That won't go. Rebound by Paterbonia. Good!
Basket and 1 on that play. Fast start right here for Davao region, especially in the interior. They are crushing the boards. They are really bullying Southern Tagalog down low. They have the size advantage. Make use of that. So later on, but the referees call it foul before the shot. Interestingly, yeah, baseline inbound here for Davao. So interesting development, or not sure what was the call.
There's a little bit of confusion there on that last play. I think hindi natin narinig yung pito doon on that last sequence because of the noise from the crowd dito sa EOC Gymnasium.
That is, I believe, foul on the floor, foul before the shot. But it's gonna go against Duterte. That's his first personal foul. Early foul here for Direct.
But ball back to the hands of Rices Bayenting. Here comes Pellegrino on the high post. Labas kang Rices Bayenting. And there's that tight defense. Pellegrino, he'll try a three. Right at the buzzer. Pellegrino gets it right back. Puts it up and in.
Professional move right there by Maki Pellegrino. Goes for the fake and leans in with the left. But give credit again to JM Sanoria for keeping that ball.
Ng mga diskarte itong Davao Eagles. Able to break down the tight defense ng Calabarzon.
Calabarzon, hindi pa nakakascore dito, and that is a turnover after the timeout. There's Maki gliding! Puts it in!
You can see the athleticism, that great adjustment in midair from Maki Pellegrino. A 10-0 start for the Eagles.
Maki not settling for a lot of jump shots. This time, kahapon, we saw him on the perimeter, on the outside, forcing shots. This time, he is really aggressive in attacking the paint.
Pellegrino! He puts it up and in! That's two more for Maki Pellegrino. Whoa, what a shot.
Just like that, right? 12-0 start, and Maki again, as we've been talking about, not settling for outside shots, not settling for forced issues, but really attacking the paint. And hindi pa rin nakakascore ang Calabarzon dito.
And there's the first foul on the Eagles. Tingnan natin if that is a foul in the act of shooting. So last foul was against JM Sanoria. First foul of the contest for the Davao Eagles, as Gonzalez will try to break the ice for Team Calabarzon.
Yep, and this is the first free throw of the game for Calabarzon or either of the teams. Chance for Southern Tagalog to break into scoring column.
This pa rin yung free throw from Gonzalez at the foul line. You can check our online store sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Lazada, Shopee at ng TikTok. And finally, Gonzalez converts on the second free throw. 1 for 2 from the line. And the first point for the Heroes ng Calabarzon. So, good start para dito sa Davao Eagles. Here comes Pellegrino. Aggressive. Puts the ball on the brakes. He drives. What a move by Maki Pellegrino. It's a Maki mania in the first quarter.
Maki hitting the Pinoy step on that play. And again, he's not falling in love with those jump shots. This time, alam niya kaya niyang atakihin ng loob. As that high-low play, Baterbonia able to read where that was going.
Here comes Bayenting. Finds Pellegrino. Thought about it. Instead, Bayenting, three on the way. No. Rebound tracked down by Duterte. Got tumbled there inside, and there's a whistle. 14-1. Still in favor of the Eagles ng Davao Region. At papasok po si Aaron Bayenban. An outstanding semifinals game last night. Itong si Aaron Bayenban for the Eagles.
Hailed as a player of the game kahapon. 5 out of 7 from the 3-point area. Grabe, nag-init yung kamay ni Aaron Bayenban, and not just that, he was excellent down the clutch. That was a bad pass.
Here comes a 3-on-1. Teka lang, natawagan ng traveling si Rene Baterbonia.
Coach just upset on that pass from Bayenban. Not the best of pass. He was very close to the trailing Baterbonia. Bahinting was on the other side, could have passed it to him on the left wing.
4.5 minutes to go in this opening quarter. Here comes the Heroes ng Calabarzon looking for the first field goal of this gold medal game. Three-pointer on the way. Finally gets it to fall from Mamawag.
Mamawag with 3 big triples in the fourth quarter. Clutch time kahapon. He was delivering the goods for the Heroes. And Ray, baka makakita tayo ng same story kanina. A poor start from STRAA, but they were able to pick up their feet down the line.
Oh, look at that aggressive rebound from JM Sanoria. Athletic rebound for this kid. Bayenting, 3 on the way. And rebound tracked down from Derek Duterte. Here comes Mamawag. Adrian Senio. And Duterte is skying for the rebound. Solid campaign for this kid. And a foul on JM Sanoria on the reach-in.
JM Sanoria, medyo may, you compare their body, and Sanoria will guard Duterte. Talagang medyo mas manipis itong si Sanoria. So Duterte will try to bully Sanoria down low. I think that's the second foul para kay JM Sanoria. He is very gamit para sa kay Coach Jess, lalo na sa mga offensive rebounds. As that put shot by Duterte, wala. Second effort is good.
Okay, using the right hand and gets the hook shot to make it a 14-6 advantage still for the Davao Eagles. So again, itong Calabarzon trying to stay within striking distance. Oh my! Look at that quickness of the spin from Maki Pellegrino.
Spin cycle from Maki Pellegrino, losing his defender on that play. And Maki, kita natin, hindi siya nagsasettle sa mga jumpers, and he's really attacking the heart of the defense.
11 on the shot clock para dito kay Mamawag, who hit the first bucket of the game para dito sa Calabarzon. And we have a whistle against the Eagles.
That's gonna be the last team foul to give for Davao Region. Fouls moving forward for Davao will be free throws for Calabarzon.
So 14 on the shot clock para dito sa mga heroes ng Calabarzon region. Here comes Panaligan, babalik ang Mamawag, and here comes Davao playing zone defense. Swings it over to Mamawag, three-pointer on the way, yes!
There goes the roll for Calabarzon. Shrugging off the slow start, able to get a little bit of a rhythm here thanks to the 2 3-pointers ni Mamawag. This guy is a knockdown shooter, gotta watch out for, if you're Calabarzon, you want to keep him going, you want to hit those threes. As this three, and he gets a block right there. Mamawag hit this time on the defensive end.
So we approach 2:17 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Mamawag into the paint. Duterte will try a three, way off. So itong si Derek Duterte trying to get some rhythm from the outside, pero so far on his first three-point attempt, that was all air on that attempt.
And Maki will take a breather here. Majority of the points of Davao Region are attacks from the interior galing kay Maki Pellegrino.
Estradante, bibigay kang Aaron Bayanban. Thought about it, babalik ang Paul Estradante. Drives, lost control of it as we're under 2 minutes to play in this first quarter. That's Senio in traffic, and he puts it in.
Over the two outstretched arms of Paul Estandarte, off the spin pa yon. Senio, gandang move nun.
16-11 for the Eagles ng Davao Region. Estradante batting his way against Duterte. Luwage for three. Good box out from Derek Duterte.
Davao Region cold on the three-point area this time. Kahapon, they started things off shooting hot from the first period. Ngayon, medyo malamig pa ang Davao. Wala pa silang three-pointers na ipapasok.
Bayanban off the fadeaway. Jumper is missed. And good box out rebound from Mamawag. So about a minute to go dito sa ating opening quarter. Duterte thought about it. Matching up against Estradante. Duterte goes to work. Spins, turns, shoots, misses. Here comes Rices Bayanting. Luwage goes to Estradante. Bullies his way. Gets it right back. And puts it in.
Second effort there for Paul Estandarte. Catching Duterte off position to score. And now back to a 7-point lead with 30 seconds left in the first.
And somebody is down, and that's a foul on Estardante. And that's penalty for the Eagles. And I think that's one of the players ng Calabarzon went down. That's Derek Duterte shaken up there on that collision.
But over the few stretches, nakita natin Calabarzon adjusting, especially dun sa loob. They're not allowing Davao Region to bully them down the paint and get those offensive rebounds. Itong Calabarzon, they might not be the tallest, might not be the biggest, but they know how to position themselves to get those defensive glass.
So we're down to 27 seconds remaining. Penalty na ang Davao Region, so that means free throws coming up for the Heroes ng Calabarzon. So itong Calabarzon Heroes led by their head coach Jasper Magno and assistant coach MJ Mercado. So they're also coaching, they're part of the coaching staff ni Coach Ernest Alaw sa Leap Basketball and also product sa Sinag Liga Asia. So shoutout natin sa ating mga kaibigan sa Sinag Liga Asia, led of course by Mr. Rocky Chan, the chairman, and President Boss Ray Alaw. And shoutout din sa good friend of mine as well, Coach Ernest Alaw. So happy viewing sa inyo.
Yep. And happy viewing too to my family. All of my 3 families na nanonood dun sa bahay, nanonood to my sister, Shaina Janine Mena, to my mom, Ninya Mena, my father, Ronald Mena, and my sister also is watching this one, supporting his batch mates. Kasi my sister is also studying in Ateneo, and I'd like to shout out the Monica Adu Senior High School 2025 alumni.
So last shot time for the Eagles. So a hard-fought first quarter para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Bayenting goes to work. Wants to make things happen. Floater is blocked from Duterte. Will go to Calabarzon with 2.9 to go in the opening quarter. So chance here for Calabarzon to take it down the court with 2.9 to go. Here comes a forward pass. Luge heaves it up. And that ends the first quarter.
Strong start here for Davao Region, but good for Calabarzon. They were able to pick up their rhythm.
They're having some struggles from the 3-point line, pero they're still ahead by 6.
Yep, strong start by Davao Region led by Maki Pellegrino. Where would they go without Maki? And they get a steal here, but Calabarzon was really able to pick up their good momentum, especially on the latter stages.
Luwage, 3-pointer, got it! That's the first 3-pointer in the second quarter for the Eagles.
Yeah, second quarter, first 3-pointer, and medyo malamig ang Davao on the outside. Itong Calabarzon, they already have 2 3-pointers courtesy of Mamawag.
Now 10 to work with para dito kang panaligan. Luge from the foul line on the way and 1.
Si Luge, isa din siya sa mga key guys ng Calabarzon as we've watched him all tournament long. He's been solid, minsan coming off the bench, backing up his point guards, and this time he gets an end one play. Davao, a little bit of an, sorry, check that, Calabarzon with a little bit of a roll here to start in the second.
And gets the roll on the bonus free throw para dito kang Josh Luge to make it a 21-15 advantage still for the Eagles ng Davao Region. So here comes Aaron Luwage. Had a solid showing on the semi-final game against the NCR Metro Stars. To the hands of Maki Pellegrino. Starting guarded by Josh Luge. Fires the jumper. Rebound tracked down by Gonzalez.
Yun yung sinasabi nating Maki Pellegrino forcing shots. That time, bumabalik siya sa kanyang ginawa kagabi. With those pull shots with contested one. Calabarzon on their set, trying to cut this lead to a single possession.
Was a foul of the entry pass, and that's against Sanoria. Pasok po si Paul Estardante for the Davao Eagles.
What I love about this Calabarzon team as I've watched them all week here is every time yung kalaban nila nakaka-run, palagi silang may sagot, kaya nananalo sila sa lahat ng games. Mind you, they are 5-0 on their campaign here. Undefeated, both teams undefeated. Calabarzon, really a strong team to contend with.
Oh, that's a turnover as that was a 5-second inbound violation against Calabarzon Heroes. They were not able to make a successful inbound pass. At bola mapunta sa mga Agila ng Davao Region. And there's a foul, and I think that's against Josh Luge. So Josh Luge trying to hold off Maki Pellegrino off the inbound pass. But Josh Luge was called for the personal foul. So about a minute and 15 gone by in this second quarter. So a hotly contested game as expected here in this gold medal game. So we have two guys face guarding Pellegrino. Yun, Ayan, nagkahiyawan na ang mga crowd, most especially from the Davao venue side. Here comes Damag with the first touch, coming off the bench in the second quarter. Wants to make some impact in the gold medal game. Pabalik sa labas, here comes Luwage. Pellegrino, tightly guarded by Luge, and that's another foul on Josh Luge. I think that's his second personal foul. Even the crowd sa EOC Gymnasium also getting involved on those last whistles of this second quarter. So 8:32 to go in this second quarter. 14 to shoot.
2 quick fouls para kay Josh Luge, both against Maki Pellegrino. Itong dalawang player na to nagigirian na. Look at them playing catch here.
Pellegrino splits the D, puts it in and out. I think pumasok yung tira from Maki Pellegrino. Here comes Panaligan, struggling his dribble, now being played by Damag. Panaligan puts it up, can't score. Rebound tracked down by Luge. And hold on, there's a stoppage of play. Somebody is shaken up there on the side of Calabarzon.
Might have been hit in the head, but Calabarzon with great effort on the second opportunity. Offensive rebound para sa kanila. Good job by our referees attending to the need of one of the players kasi delikado. Kasi pag ulo na ang natamaan, kasi even though in the pro leagues, they have this concussion protocol. Dito, it is a hit on the head. You don't want to see that. That's the most dangerous part for a player to get hit on.
So, itong si Josh Luge will receive some treatment from the medical staff. That's actually Valencia. Number 18 ng Southern Tagalog will receive some medical help from the medical staff dito po sa ating venue here in the EOC Gymnasium. He's still shaken up there on that last sequence.
Class of this coaching performance.
Luge off the inbounds. 3 is short. Rebound, loose ball. Mapunta ka Panaligan. Another attempt. Mamawag on the way and hits it.
Third triple of the game para kay Mamawag. Cuts the lead to single possession. This is the closest Calabarzon has ever gotten into. But Mamawag again. This time hitting from the baseline.
And that's the third personal foul on Josh Luge. That's not a smart foul if you're Josh Luge, because he's now in foul trouble in this first half.
Josh Luge, yeah, third personal foul. And much to the disagreement of the Davao crowd, because Luge really getting under the skin of the players of Eagles.
Now here comes Saises Bayenting. Siya magtatawid sa bola para dito sa mga Agila ng Davao Region. But Pellegrino breaks free. Shot is up and missed. And itong Calabarzon, an opportunity to tie with a 3, or they can cut the deficit to 1 in the early portion of the second quarter. Luge off the spin. Shot is no good. Bola mapunta kang Derek Duterte. And Baterbonia able to bother the shot, but they still have the ball with 7 to shoot. Duterte pops out. Down to 3 seconds. On the move. Shot is good.
Derek Duterte taking Matt Cayetano to school. And Derek Duterte goes to his favored left for that shot. So we don't have timeout. That was just the shot clock. And Davao will try to run here.
Baterbonia attracting 2 defenders and a hard foul. And hold on, there's a whistle. Looks like we have a technical foul against Southern Tagalog, much to the dismay of Jasper Magno.
Coach Jasper Magno thought there was a timeout. You're arguably one of Davao's best when it comes to shooting.
And hits the technical free throw to make it a 2-point lead for the Eagles ng Davao Region. 22-20 ating talaan. It's a hard-fought first half for these two teams. And there's the look once again of Coach Jasper Magno ng Calabarzon Region. And there's Coach Jess Evangelio leading the way for the Eagles ng Davao Region. Baterbonia gives it up to Maki Pellegrino. An outstanding first half so far for him, but He needs to step it up as they're only up by two. Three-pointer, good.
First three for Maki, second one for Davao Region off the pick. Maki Pellegrino may bawi. Here's Mayor. Over to Duterte. Mayor Duterte connection.
Dalawang free throws coming up for Derek Duterte. So you can see that quick feet, that quick first step from Derek Duterte, able to fish a foul against the Eagles ng Davao Region.
Duterte needs to get his groove back here. Gotta get things going. Medyo nakakascore naman si Derek Duterte. He's been defended well, but we want to see him keep going, make this a very competitive match. Derek Duterte, one of the best players here in the Palarong Pambansa, a three-time player of the game sa kanilang mga laro.
And this guy, Derek Duterte, could be one of the candidates for the Mythical Five sa ating boys basketball tournament.
Not just that, Ray, if Calabarzon gets the gold, undoubtedly I'd say he'd be the MVP of this tournament. So big moment here for Derek Duterte, hailing from Antipolo, Rizal.
Friendly bounce on the second free throw. So there's Adrian Senyo checking in off the bench para dito sa Calabarzon region. So Panaligan will take a breather dito sa ating second quarter. Here comes Pellegrino racing down the court. Almost knocked away, able to pick it up. Mabalik dito kang Rises Bayenting. Now 40 to shoot for the Eagles. Pellegrino. Pabalik sa labas. Bayenting in trouble. Down to 7 the shot clock. Hounded. Estardante slip. He puts it up. The banker won't go. And here comes Team Calabarzon on the fast break. Struggling with the dribble. Push shot is up and out. And ball knocked loose. At bola mapunta sa Southern Tagalog.
Beautiful hustle right there for Calabarzon, not giving up on the basketball, not giving up on the play. Mamawag almost got an end one, or got that floater to fall. Mamawag, wala pang 2-point shot. That was his first 2-point attempt, but he is 3 out of 3 from the 3-point area. So Mamawag, early heat check.
So under 6 minutes to play in the first half. A hotly contested gold medal game sa pagitan ng Davao Eagles at ng Calabarzon Heroes. So we're down to 14 on the shot clock for the Heroes. So good bounce back para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes after a shaky start in the first quarter after they were down as much as double digits. 12 to shoot para dito kang Mayor ng Calabarzon inside to Duterte against Paterbonia, battling his way and scores.
Duterte again with a basket, but Maki Pellegrino is down on the court. Might have hurt his stomach.
Pellegrino will take a rest sa Region 11 bench as he's being replaced by Quintao ng Davao Eagles. It's number 12 now off the bench ng Davao Eagles. Here comes Rises Bayenting. Now we'll try to set up a play as they're holding on to a precarious 1-point lead. Bayenting off the crossover. Look at that tight defense. Paterbonia for 3 on the way. Malakas. Rebound tracked down by Calabarzon.
Look at the backs out and the positioning of Calabarzon to not allow Davao Region get that offensive rebound. Chance here for the Heroes to take the lead.
Here's Derek Duterte going to work. Runner is short. Loose ball and Duterte trying to save it. But bola mapunta sa Davao Eagles. Meron po tayong 5 minutes and 12 remaining dito sa ating second period. So both teams with 3 team fouls in this second quarter. So Valencia will return to the lineup after a hard fall kanina, and Duterte will take a rest for the Calabarzon Heroes. So crucial possession if you're the Eagles. They want to increase this lead, holding on to a 1-point lead. Luwage, feet set, 3 is missed. Here comes Adrian Senyo with the basketball. Another opportunity for Calabarzon to take the lead for the very first time. Mamawag, siya magdidirekta ng traffic dito. Swings it over. Pamawag off the catch. Feeds Valencia. Tough turnaround shot. Gets it to go. And Calabarzon now has the lead by 1.
Perfectly said, Rain. Now Calabarzon, just like our battle for third kanina, slow start by STRAA, able to catch up against NCR. This time, slow start kanina sa Calabarzon. Now they have the lead, and this is a 1-2-2 zone defense for the Heroes.
In and out on the 3-point attempt from Rices Bayenting. So Calabarzon now has momentum, holding on to this 1-point lead now. Inside, tracking 3 defenders and a 3-second violation against Calabarzon.
Good call by the referee. That was a 3-second. Medyo matagal yung pasa sa seal down low from Valencia. And Valencia was caught up in between on that play. But still, Calabarzon leading here. Good basketball here in the second quarter. Able to take the lead in a few in these stretches. Now they are in again in this unique 1-2-2 zone. Now they switch to 1-1-2. What a block! Pangalawang block na yon.
Mamawa on a fast break. He takes it. The tip is up and in from Valencia.
Calabarzon Heroes on a roll here. And the defending champs on a scare. But still plenty of basketball left. Calabarzon really loving the play here for the Heroes. Perfect basketball they're playing.
That play was broken up by Adrian Senio with 6 on the shot clock. So babalik na po si Panaligan ng Calabarzon.
Also, the crowd has gone silent for Davao region. This is a good job containing Davao. Especially don't let the crowd get involved a lot in this ball game because this is a pro Davao crowd. And you're the away team. And here's a 3 from Aaron and knocks it down off the bench. The Magic Bunot doing magic here.
And that's an equalizer from Aaron Bayanban as we're tied at 28. 3:15 remaining in the first half. And very entertaining gold medal match dito po sa Prosperidad. 10 on the shot clock. Senio goes to work. San Diego now coming off the bench. He puts it up. Can't score. Rebound. Who has it? And Baterbonia tracks it down. Pellegrino wants to make a run. Takes it right back. Inside. Ooh, misses the layup. And we go the other way. Palanigan. Nice feed. And San Diego with the bucket.
Eyes on the side by Panaligan. His peripheral vision. So Valencia lurking down on that dunker spot. Got 2 defenders committed upon him.
And that's actually Gonzalez who scored that last bucket para dito sa Calabarzon. And that's a backcourt violation.
And Calabarzon, really masasabi mo na sa kanila ang momentum. Hawak nila ang beat ngayon with a 2-point lead. And that Panaligan assist made the crowd cheered and roar on that play. As they can look at Gian Bulasta on your screen, who is out with a hairline foot fracture. A big loss for DAVRAA.
So down to 10 on the shot clock. Gonzalez who scored that last bucket to give the lead for Calabarzon. 5 to shoot. Panaligan for 3 straight away. Hits it! And a chance for a 4-point play para kang Panaligan ng Calabarzon. Gutsy triple.
The ball keeps rolling here para sa Calabarzon. A rare 4-point play opportunity para kay Panaligan to put and give Calabarzon a 6-point lead here. A 2-possession game if he makes this free throw. And in these few stretches, Duterte was able to rest. Now he gets back in the ball game. Panaligan with a big free throw here with 2:11 left in the second quarter.
Reinhardt Panaligan making it rain on that triple. May chance pa ng 4-point play for this youngster para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes. 2:11 to go. Knocks down the bonus shot. Completes the 4-point play for Reinhardt Panaligan. It's a 6-point lead para dito sa Calabarzon. So as expected, it's a hard-fought contest in the gold medal game. Moving pick from Polestardante.
Davao region are being caught off guard here. Nawawala sila sa kanilang game plan. Coach just shuffling his player, his James Anoria. Babalik para kay Polestardante. But Calabarzon really putting on a masterclass. Gotta give credit, as I said, Coach Jasper Magno is a basketball genius.
What a turnaround in the second quarter para dito sa Calabarzon after they were down as much as double digits in the first. Senyo. 2-point shot on the way. And here comes Rices Bayenting. Pellegrino. Paterbonia throws it down, but hold on, there's a whistle.
This foul on the floor on the open court para kay Maki Pellegrino. It's gonna be a baseline inbound. No free throws here as what Maki is signaling. So, good transition defense there for Calabarzon holding off that dunk sana ni Paterbonia that would have brought the house down. So they will have to inbound it with a minute and 39 left.
Oh, that was an alley-oop pass, but that was broken up. And here comes Panaligan on the fast break. Takes it in, and another foul for the Eagles.
That was a poor pass coming from Maki Pellegrino, and look at the disappointment on Coach Jess' face. Medyo minadali na yung pasa niya, and on the other end, quickly, itong si Panaligan trying to capitalize on the area of Davao region, going coast to coast, bumping bodies, unafraid to get bumped, and the contact. They didn't get the end one, but 2 free throws here for Reinhardt.
Rolls out in the first free throw, but hold on. Somebody stepped in too early. That means a substitute free throw. So 2 more shots for Reinhardt Panaligan.
Yep, we're now nearing again the 200K mark viewers. So big shout out and big thanks to Boss John Linogon for making this event possible. And also to our friends there in Tagum, to Boss Jezreel Sembrano and Life-Changing Photography. So maraming salamat sa inyo.
You can check our online stores sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok. And we would like to give a special shout out to well over 180,000 viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta hatid sa inyo ng J Project Sports. Tatawan ng timeout si Coach Antipolo sa probinsya ng Rizal.
Down moments here for Davao, but high moments here for Calabarzon, the team from Antipolo on a roll. Big second quarter here, making Davao be outside of their comfort zone. As another 3 here, second 3, 2 out of 2. Aaron Bayanban picking up where he left off yesterday.
It's a 5-point lead now for the Region 4A Calabarzon. So 12 on the shot clock para dito Kamamawag. An outstanding first half for him, especially from beyond the arc. Makes his move inside to Derek Duterte, now coming off the bench. Splitting 2 defenders and drops it through and 1. I'm loving the moves, the offensive moves from Derek Duterte. Maraming mga weapons sa kanilang arsenal in the likes of Derek Duterte.
Duterte right there putting it into his bag against Paterbonia. And the quick double came. Duterte sneaks in with that step through against the load of defense. Gets the end one. Derek on the line.
Rebound. That's an athletic rebound from JM Sonoria. Bibigay kang Rices Bayenting. Now Paterbonia goes to work against Derek Duterte. He drives, blocked by Derek Duterte. That's a good effort. Good help defense.
Paterbonia, nahihirapan siya sa depensa ni Duterte. Kasi Duterte napakalakas ng upper body. Tinatry siyang banggain ng Davao even kanina against Paul Estandarte, but hindi siya nagagalaw and even staying in his legal guarding position. This time blocking Rene Paterbonia. That's his second block of the game for Derek Duterte.
So 12 on the shot clock. Sa kamay ngayon ni Maki Pellegrino matching up against San Diego. Maki Pellegrino using the strength and athleticism. Dalawang free throws coming up, may bibigay kang Maki Pellegrino.
That time around, Maki Pellegrino sneaking on the baseline against the load of defense. May sabit. Talagang sinadya niya na yung kamay niya bumangga sa kamay ng kanyang defender.
So happy viewing po sa inyo sa Panabo City and batiin natin isang magandang araw. Magandang araw po sa inyo dyan kang Mayor Jose E. Relampagos ng Panabo City, Davao del Norte. So happy viewing po sa inyo dyan, Mayor Joe Relampagos.
Yep, at batiin ko rin a good friend of mine. Happy birthday to Mr. John V. Earth Gonzaga, watching also from Panabo City, Davao del Norte, and to my tito Joel Perez watching this one.
Sandali lang, we have another whistle. I think that's a lane violation. So Currently a 38-32 advantage for Team Calabarzon. May isa pang free throw may bibigay kang Maki Pellegrino. So that's a substitute free throw. Am I right, Ron?
Yep, tama. Kanina din yung substitute free throw. I think that was Duterte on the line. Kanina kasi may lane violation. So napaka-stricto ng DepEd when it comes to that. I think isa sila sa mga organizations really putting emphasis on those lane violations kasi all week long ang daming substitute free throw na nakita natin. Unlike to those other league na medyo maluwag when it comes to lane violation, DepEd really putting emphasis on that.
So 14 on the shot clock para dito sa Team Calabarzon. 3 on the way. Overcooks that one. Hapay puts it up. Rolls out. What an excellent offensive first half para dito sa Team Central Luzon. As Calabarzon rather. 10 to work with. Pellegrino in trouble. Finds Baterbonia. They still have time. 5 seconds. Balik ang Pellegrino down to 2 seconds. Fires. Blocked by Duterte right at the end of the first half. An impressive first half performance for Team Calabar at ng Calabarzon Heroes. So here comes Trices Bayinting will set up the first play of the second half. Pellegrino down on the corner. Being played by Mayor. Contested 3 on the way. That's another rebound mula sa Calabarzon. Here comes Ali Mamawag having a superb first half for him. Lalo na from beyond the arc. Itong si Ali Mamawag. Cross-court pass, almost knocked away. Mayor for 3 on the way, got it to fall.
Long three out there for Mayor. Lead is up to the largest now, 7-point advantage for Calabarzon.
40-33 para dito sa Heroes ng Calabarzon. Baterbonia having a silent first half. Bayinting thought about it. Leans in, babalik ang Pellegrino with 6 on the shot clock. He drives, he puts it up, and the first bucket in the second half for the Eagles.
Maki taking matters into his own hands. That time it was a good defensive play for Calabarzon. They were able to double team Baterbonia on the post, get the ball off of him. But Maki Pellegrino steps up at the right time. Here's a 3. Tight corner, doesn't matter. San Diego extends the lead to 8.
That's Richmond San Diego with a 3-point shot. Napakagandang rhythm from beyond the arc itong Calabarzon Heroes. And they're now on top by 8. Baterbonia with a difficult catch. Luwage inside. And 2 free throws coming up for Aaron Luwage.
As yung na-mention ko kanina, tried to get Rene Baterbonia going on the post. But every time the ball goes into the post, there is a double team coming from Rene Baterbonia kasi alam nila mismatch sila sa loob. That time, Rene Baterbonia forces the catch, finds Luwage because he was doubled and Luwage leans in for the foul.
At may isa-shoutout pala ako. Gusto kong isa-shoutout to Mr. Joseph Laroscain and to his wife, Ma'am Lia Laroscain, who's watching now mula sa Davao City. So happy viewing po sa inyo kang Sir Joseph Laroscain ng Mass Communication Department of the Ateneo de Davao University. And also shoutout to Mr. Darius Bersamen who's watching now. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating live stream sa J Project Sports.
Luwage on the free throw line. Big free throws here for Davao Region. He was able to cut the lead back to 6, but it's Calabarzon taking control of the game. They're dictating the pace, dictating the tempo. Sila yung nagdidikta kung saan nila gusto tumira, and fina-force nila ang Davao to take those uncomfortable shots.
Here comes Pellegrino. Looks to make his move. Ball knocked free. And ball will stay here with the Eagles.
Parang nababasa ng Calabarzon saan yung passing lanes, kung anong ginagawa. They're like a head step, one step ahead against Davao Region. That day, I saw that play many times this tournament at pumapasok yung pasa, but that time, they were able to disrupt him.
Pellegrino trapped at the baseline. And that's another foul this time against the Heroes ng Calabarzon. So outstanding first half para kang Coach Jasper Magno and the rest of the Heroes ng Calabarzon.
That's what I've been talking about. Jasper Magno is a genius on the sidelines. Alam niya yung gameplay, yung teamwork, yung strategy ng Calabarzon. They're executing it well, just what they planned maybe last night on their huddles. So yun.
So second free throw coming up para dito kang Maki Pellegrino. They really need the services of Maki Pellegrino in terms of scoring as he converts on the second. 4-point game, 2 minutes gone by in the third frame. So here comes Ali Mamawag, this time directing traffic para dito sa Calabarzon. Gonzalez fakes the pass, babalik sa labas kang Mamawag. 10 sa kanilang shot clock being played by Matt Cayetano. Panaligan pulls up, jumper, banks it in off the glass.
Panaligan, big time step up right here. He's backing up the scoring for his team. Parang pangalawang beses ko na yung nakita. Panaligan getting to his spot using the glass off that jumper.
Cayetano lost control of it as he commits the turnover.
Matt Cayetano having a struggle here in this ball game as Aaron Bayanban will check back in para dito kay Matt Cayetano. Davao Region hasn't really let Matt Cayetano get to his spot because of the good defense ng Calabarzon.
So Calabarzon, their confidence is at a very high level dito sa gold medal match. Knocked loose, last touch by Pellegrino with 10 on the shot clock. The offense is flowing in a good way para dito sa Calabarzon. At nasa lineup na po si Derek Duterte, now being played by Rene Baterbones. Ito, napakagandang matchup dito sa pagitan ni Derek Duterte and Rene Baterbones. Now here comes the post up and draws the foul. So you can see the elite footwork from Derek Duterte, much to the concern of Coach Jess Evangelio.
Derek Duterte, kahit anong defense ang ibigay mo sa kanya, he will find a way to score. If he don't score, he will find a way to get into the free throw line. Derek Duterte might be our MVP here if Calabarzon holds on to this lead. So, a lot of promises here for Derek Duterte. He's been really solid, especially down low.
And of course, shoutout natin sa ating mga kababayan sa Agusan del Sur and the rest of the Caraga region. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa atong live stream hatid sa inyo ng J Project Sports. You can check our online store sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok.
Back to an 8-point lead here for Calabarzon. Will Davao catch up? But that will not help their cause. That's a steal. Duterte bumping bodies makes it a 10-point lead. But Erbonia was out of the map on that.
Excellent showing on the offensive end mula kang Derek Duterte, leading the way for the Heroes ng Calabarzon as this team are composed of players from the city of Antipolo. Pellegrino 3 on the way, overcooks that one. Luwage picks it up and draws another foul, and this time against Derek Duterte.
Duterte almost getting that defensive rebound. Nadulas yung bola sa kanyang kamay, but nonetheless he's been having a solid trip on this championship match. Tong Calabarzon, they were the 4th placer last year. They lost to the battle for 3rd against Central Luzon. This time, they have up into the championship match, secured silver, hold on to this lead, they get the gold, and dethrone Davao as a champion here in Palarong Pambansa.
So second free throw coming up for Aaron Luwage. So the Davao Eagles down by 9. And rebound track down para kang San Diego. Sama niya si Mamawag, Duterte, Gonzalez, and Panaligan. Here comes Duterte using his quickness in the baseline. Rebound track down by Aaron Bayanban. Bayanting lost it. And Panaligan picks it up. He'll shoot a 3. And a foul against Maki Pellegrino.
Second time Panaligan na foul sa tres. They're really closing out hard. Davao Region did. That is not good for them. But of course, good for Calabarzon. Na-attract na ng Calabarzon yung depensa ng Davao Region, especially from the outside. They respect the outside shooting of Calabarzon. Panaligan this time with his second trip to the line, being fouled on the 3. Kanina he got the end one. This time it's 3 free throws for Reinhardt.
That's right. So it has been a solid showcase, especially on the guard lineup ni Coach Magno ng Southern Tagalog Region. So free throws coming up para dito sa Calabarzon, and gets the first free throw from Panaligan. You can check our online store sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok. And shoutout po sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. Shoutout to Giancarlo and Janina Sam. Thank you very much for watching the live stream hatid sa inyo ng J Project Sports. So shoutout to Giancarlo Sam and Janina Sam.
Shoutout ko rin from the Municipality of Bacolod, Duhali, Mayor Inday Rubinos watching this one, and former Mayor Greg Facola, as well as our live viewers here from my good friend Rehan Pamlian, and sa dalawang pamangkin ko si Nana and Shasha Valverde.
Yun, lumaki na ang kalamangan ng Calabarzon, an 11-point lead for the Heroes. 6 minutes to play in the third quarter. Pellegrino attracting a double team to the corner by Anban. Baterbonia with the rebound. He's trapped underneath. Patience. Shot is missed. Battle for the rebound, and there's Derek Duterte showing his swagger with that big boy rebound.
Indeed, and di lang niya nakuha yung big boy rebound. That's a monster rebound, but he was able to hold off Baterbonia on that attempt. Talagang ina-outmatch niya si MVP this time. He wants to dethrone the Davao region, and also he wants to dethrone the Baterbonia as the MVP of this tournament, and gusto niya maswing na yon sa Calabarzon.
It has been an outstanding ball game, but Painting picks it up. Pellegrino on the drive, lays it up and in. The Davao Eagles still within striking distance, 9-point game. Plenty of basketball dito sa ating gold medal game. 5:38 to go in the third quarter. Duterte, strong move to the cup.
Outmatch talaga si Rene Baterbonia. Look at that. I think Davao needs to do some doubling on the post, gaya ng ginagawa nila kay Baterbonias. There's a steal again. Mamawag drops it. Gonzalez triple fake.
Mintisitira, putback, goes over the top of the backboard. At bola mapunta sa mga Agila ng Davao region. It's gonna be a tough challenge for the Eagles. How do you stop the raging bull? And that is Derek Duterte having an outstanding campaign for the Heroes ng Calabarzon.
A literal bull down low and a literal raging man. Derek Duterte has been on fire, especially dito sa ating third quarter. Talagang si Rene Baterbonia, no match sa kanya. Pinaupunan ni Coach Jesse Rene Baterbonia as he will try to put a bigger body against Duterte in Paul Estandarte.
11-point advantage para dito sa Calabarzon region. Painting sizes the disadvantage and Valencia takes it away. Great helps at defense para dito sa Calabarzon. Really bothering the ball handlers ng Davao Eagles. Duterte on top, fakes the three, attacking, one-handed, rolls it in. Amazing third quarter performance this time from Derek Duterte.
Derek Duterte taking Estandarte to school. That time hindi niya binangga, but he created a separation of that spin kasi parang medyo mas malaking body itong si Estandarte. There's another rebound. Hindi pinapayagan ng Calabarzon makakuha ng offensive rebound itong DAVRAA, and Derek Duterte really having an outstanding showing here.
A breakout game for the Calabarzon Heroes here in the gold medal match, and that turnaround is missed from Derek Duterte. Bayenting in trouble, lost it. And there's a foul against Aaron Bayanban. That's the 14th foul para dito sa Team Davao Eagles.
What a game it is for Derek Duterte. Gotta give a salute to this guy. He's carrying his team, and he's gonna take a breather now as we would like to greet 205k viewers na rin. First time in the history of sports, of J Project Sports.
Tatawag ng timeout ang Davao
against Davao region. And itong Calabarzon already seeing some daylight here to get the championship and to get the gold medal. Davao region, well, where they go?
Nice drop off. Valencia lays it in. Great unselfish play. Great team basketball ng Team Calabarzon region.
Great cut also para kay Valencia, and that penetration, butas ang depensa ng Davao on that play. Excellent pass.
And this time around, Maki Pellegrino draws the foul. A big test for the Davao Eagles. How do they stop this offensive juggernaut And that is the Heroes ng Calabarzon, as this team, the Heroes, composed of players from Antipolo City sa probinsya ng Rizal. So itong koponan na ito ng Calabarzon region, led of course by their head coach, that's Jasper Magno and MJ Mercado. They are both coaching staff ni Coach Ernest Alaw sa Lead Basketball and our products sa Sinag Liga Asia. So shoutout sa inyo dyan sa ating mga kaibigan sa Sinag Liga Asia. And we are hoping na makasali din sa ang Davao team for this upcoming Junior World Showcase sa Cebu this coming July. As that free throw is good for Maki Pellegrino. 13-point game, 3:21 to go in this third quarter. So maganda yung performance pa rin in this third quarter basketball para dito sa Calabarzon.
After that fast start ng Davao, they have gone really cold on their game plan here.
Pellegrino accelerating, pushing the pace. Rebound tracked down by Baterbonia. And two more free throws coming up for the big man. Rene Baterbonia, after having some struggles throughout this game, he wants to shake off the rust at the free throw line.
Exactly, they're trying to get Rene going here from the free throw line. And just like that, because Calabarzon gave up an offensive rebound, Derek Duterte quickly is back on the floor, this time trying to contain Rene Baterbonia from crashing those glass.
Mintising free throw from Rene Baterbonia. You can check our online stores sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok. As this live stream is powered by J Project Sports. That free throw is good from Rene Baterbonia. Under 3 minutes to play dito sa ating third quarter. So napapatuloy pa rin yung momentum from Calabarzon Heroes, and they want to apply more pressure against the Eagles ng Davao region. Duterte, he'll try a three. This time comes up short. Here comes Pellegrino racing down the court. Drops it off to Shason, lost it. And here comes the 3-on-3 fast break. Panaligan off the hesitation, has to dribble back out. Half-court set para dito sa Calabarzon. Duterte from top of the key. He'll try again. Ooh, that was spinning out. And here comes Rices Bayinting. Pulling up. Jumper off target. So the outside shooting woes continue para dito sa Davao Eagles.
Calabarzon again holding off Davao, especially on their sets. And this time they're trying to get the ball over to Duterte on the post.
And that's two free throws coming up para dito sa Davao Eagles. Penalty na ang Region 11. So two more free throws coming up for Derek Duterte. So babalik po si JM Sonoria, having a limited production in this ballgame because of foul trouble, especially kanina in the first half.
JM Sonoria was a big factor on their win kahapon, but this time, excellent job for Calabarzon containing them on this game. So ito, Derek Duterte back in the line for two more.
So first shot is up, and that's good. And gusto kong shoutout sa isa kong kaibigan from Carmen, Davao del Norte. Shoutout to Christian Yanyan Bahagi. So maraming salamat. Happy viewing po sa inyo dyan, Christian Bahagi. We're now at the 2-minute mark of this third period.
I also like to give a happy viewing to Bitoy Aguinaldo and Arthly Argones watching all the way from Manabo City. Now this is the largest lead of the game. 14 na ang kalamangan ng Calabarzon, and Calabarzon really putting the pressure against Davao. They just have to keep this one if they want to get the gold.
Baterbonia, he'll try a three. And the cold shooting woes continue for the Davao Eagles here in this third quarter.
The confidence of Davao has gone low. Medyo forced na yung mga tira, just like that against Baterbonia with hand in his face in Duterte. He took that one. Here's Duterte again on the post, trying to get the shot here.
Misses the hook shot with the left hand. Luwage thought about a three. Great closeout from Panaligan. Baterbonia playing physical against Duterte. But still, andyan pa rin yung spirit ng sportsmanship between the Eagles ng Davao at ng Heroes ng Calabarzon.
Tama ka dyan, Ray. Despite being so physical down low, nagkakabanggaan, dyan pa rin yung respeto. That's what Palaro is all about. Grassroots program. Also, yung sportsmanship, yung inside, yung character mo na di-develop dito in this kinds of situation. So, Rene Baterbonia trying to get going here in the free throw, and he missed his first shot. He splits his free throws earlier on. This time he wants to make up for that with a minute 21 left to play. It has been an epic battle between him and Duterte inside.
First free throw is good for Rene Baterbonia as we take a look at some of the crowd dito sa EOC Gymnasium dito po sa bayan ng Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. Knocks down the second free throw to make it a 12-point game. So a great turnaround from the first quarter. Itong Calabarzon Heroes, they're still on top by double digits. A minute and 18 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. So Gonzalez goes to work. Ali Mamawag now being played by Aaron Bayanban. This guy having an outstanding gold medal match so far. Itong si Ali Mamawag. 7 to work with. Mamawag goes to work. Step back, long 2. Baterbonia with the rebound. And here comes Maki Pellegrino. The Eagles wants to trim down the deficit to a 10-point game. Taken away by Derek Duterte. Forward pass to Gonzalez. And Bayanban with the foul.
Excellent defense there by Calabarzon. Able to read Maki Pellegrino. Alam nila kung saan yung driving lane ni Maki Pellegrino. They have learned their mistake, especially in the first quarter where they let Maki Pellegrino take a heat check on those drives. But this time, they're able to know kung saan dumadrive at pumupunta si Maki Pellegrino. Yung mga favorite spots ni Maki, yung mga favorite moves niya, napapag-aralan ng Calabarzon. They're really very good in scouting their opponents.
And free throw is missed para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes. That's Gonzalez with a missed free throw attempt. So second free throw coming up. And that's another rebound, this time from Baterbonia. So 42 seconds to play dito sa ating third quarter. The Eagles wants to trying to trim down the deficit. Foul line jumper. And rebound. Ball will stay here. That's a foul against Calabarzon.
It will go against Calabarzon this time. This is Rene Baterbonia. Will visit the free throw line. If I'm Coach Jess and if I'm Davao Region, gotta get these free throws going. Sayang yung mga charity bonuses here. If they're unable to convert those two shots, this time Baterbonia able to knock that one, but still, undeniably, it's Calabarzon controlling and dictating the pace. Good job here by Calabarzon containing etong Davao Region to their game. Medyo off yung second free throw ni Baterbonia.
So we're down to 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter of play here in the gold medal game. Itong Calabarzon wants to extend the lead on this possession. San Diego now tightly guarded by Luwage. Down to 10 seconds remaining. Duterte has to fire away as the shot clock was winding down. They still have time. 7 seconds for Pellegrino. Damag, 3 on the way. Can't score. Pellegrino could not get a shot off as the buzzer sounds here inside the EOC Gymnasium.
One more quarter to go.
A magical run para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes, especially right now dito sa ating fourth quarter. So this team, the Heroes ng Calabarzon, are composed of players, majority of the players from the St. John Wirtz Integrated School sa Antipolo City. They're hoping to cap off this magical run with a gold medal.
Ito namang Ateneo de Davao University. Check that. Ito namang Davao Region are being represented by the Ateneo de Davao University school system with their head coach, Coach Jess Evangelio, and teachers from Ateneo Senior High School. Watching this one, isa na doon si good friend of ours, Jewel Evangelio, the brother of Coach Jess Evangelio. It was very supportive for the Davao Region, but they're down 11 here. Lots of things to do. They want to retain the crown.
3 on the way, and that's a missed shot from Raisus Bayenting. Patuloy pa rin yung malamig na tira. The cold shooting woes continue in this fourth quarter para dito sa Eagles ng Davao Region. And a blocking foul against the Eagles.
Back-to-back fouls for both of the teams. One team foul with 9 and 15 under a minute gone by here. And Calabarzon, you can say na sila talaga yung nagdidikta ng pace, tempo of the game, making Davao earn their shots.
8 to work with para dito sa Calabarzon. Fakes the pass. 3-pointer is missed. Gonzalez. Offensive rebound. Loose ball. At ball mananatili sa Calabarzon. 7 to work with. The drive. Knocked away. Blocked by Sanoria. Fast break. Here we come. Baterbonia. Almost knocked loose. But ball will stay here with the Davao Eagles. And one of the teachers ni Rene Baterbonia now watching ngayong araw na ito, that's Franklin Castillo Anyota. So that's one of the teachers of Rene Baterbonia. So shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan from the senior high school ng Ateneo de Davao University. So happy viewing po sa inyo dyan mula po sa Davao City. So 19 to work with para sa mga Agila ng Davao Region. Now Pellegrino has to make things happen in the fourth. He drives and scores.
Better signs there for Davao Region as Maki Pellegrino cuts the lead to a single deficit here. 9-point game with under 9 minutes.
A minute and a half gone by in this fourth and final quarter. Exciting finish for the gold medal. Valencia, great contest by Baterbonia. Pellegrino racing down the court. He drives, misses the layup. Baterbonia was fouled.
Some momentum shifting here for Davao Region. If you're Calabarzon, you really want to contain the crowd. You don't want them to get involved, especially in hyping up itong Davao Region. But itong si Baterbonia back on the line for 2 more shots. He's been making his points as of the moment dito sa free throw line.
Here's our elite play of the game hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop as that free throw is good from Rene Baterbonia. They want to start this much needed run in the fourth quarter for the Davao Eagles in the hopes of capturing back-to-back gold medals in high school boys basketball. That's perfect from the foul line and the Davaoenyo contingent crowd has come alive in the fourth quarter. Here we go into the hands of San Diego. The noise level has gone up. San Diego, short on the 3. Fast break, here we go. Damag rims out, but 2 free throws coming up for Al Damag.
Al Damag from Samal Island, Philippines. That time would have been an end one play. Hindi ko nga narinig yung whistle because of our crowd here, Ray. But that would have brought the house down had that gone in.
Itong Davao Eagles now has some signs of momentum in the fourth quarter. And 2 free throws coming up para dito kang Al Damag. By the way, you can check our online store sa J Project Clothing Shop sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok. At nais kong batiin ang isang magandang araw po sa ating mga kababayan sa Panabo City. I want to give a shout out to my good friends, Councilor Ian Catalan, and also to one of my good friends as well, Alvin Alagdon and Christian Duhali. Shoutout ko din kang Divine Grace Merina from JCI Panabo. So happy viewing po sa inyo dyan mula po sa Panabo City. Free throw is good for Al Damag.
Would have been a 3-point play opportunity if that went in. Davao crowd now getting involved. Calabarzon will need to settle things down and calm their nerves. Big possession para sa kanila.
Duterte now at the high post. Looks to stop this run. Aggressive. Back out. 3-pointer. Graces the ring. San Diego gets it right back. Still has possession. That's Mamawa going to work from the foul line. No go. And Baterbonia with a big boy rebound. Here comes Pellegrino. Racing down the lane. And ball will stay here with the Eagles.
A J Project Sports High, 216k viewers. Seems like the whole Philippines is watching this one, Ray. So big honor here between us covering this game. Ako po si Ron Japet Mena. Kasama ko si Ray Andrew Alonsagay. Bringing this game live to you via J Project Sports. It's a 3, Paterbonia.
Overcooks that one. Would have brought the house down dito sa Prosperidad. Still plenty of basketball remaining. A 2-possession game. We play on. Here comes Derek Duterte. Muscling his way. He puts it up. Blocked by Paterbonia. The cleanup. Rolls out. Another chance. That won't go. Paterbonia stepped up his defense in the fourth. Pellegrino. All the way. Paterbonia gets it right back. Ball is knocked loose. Ball will stay here with the Eagles. 6.5 minutes to go in this pulsating fourth period.
Para medyo madulas yung bola natin yan. Papalit. Kasi you saw that sequence. 2 times. Una nadulas parang ang bola. Una sa Calabarzon and dito sa Davao region nadulas din yung bola. So referees will have to change the ball. Aldama getting some instructions here from Coach Jess as you see in your screen.
So 12 on the shot clock for the Eagles ng Davao region. They want to trim down the deficit to within 4, or they can cut the deficit to 3 if they want to convert this 3-point shot. Six and a half minutes to go on this exciting fourth quarter on this race to the gold medal. Pellegrino got it! Big time 3 from Maki Pellegrino. And he has cut the deficit to a 1-possession game at tatawag ng timeout ang Calabarzon Heroes.
Ano ang magiging play ni Coach Jasper Magno? He's a coaching wizard. He'll have to settle things down here para sa kanyang team.
Ball into the hands of Mamawag, having a solid outing in the gold medal game. Tightly guarded by Damag. Mamawag, tightly guarded. Inside to Duterte. Having a mismatch against Maki Pellegrino. Duterte, the kick out. 3 on the way. Got it from Panaligan as he silences the Prosperidad crowd.
Yun yung sinabi ko, Ray. Coach Jasper Magno is the coaching wizard. Off that curl from the pin down screen. Panaligan silences the crowd.
Ball back into the hands of Pellegrino. But he lost it. Fast break, here we go, and Panaligan takes it all the way. Layup is good.
And just like that, a quick 5-point swing back to an 8-point lead para sa Calabarzon. Great timeout right there by Coach Jasper Magno. He was able to settle the nerves of his team and got back on track.
Rises by Inting. Mintis yung 3. Long rebound tracked down by Damag. Inting thought about it. Attracting 2 defenders. Pulls up. Another missed shot. Forward pass. Here comes Reinhard Panaligan on the fast break. Fakes and scores. Reinhard Panaligan scoring the last 7 points for the Calabarzon Heroes. Sa tawag ng timeout si Coach Jess Evangelio ng Davao Eagle.
Neo School System watching. Itong si Carlos Plotenia, Dirk Galapon, and Jibril Matalam from Davao.
Back to a double-digit lead for the Heroes ng Calabarzon. A little bit over-aggressive on the defensive end. And that's a foul on the reach-in. That's a blocking foul against Mamawag. We're now at the halfway point of this fourth quarter.
Yun na nga, Ray, yung after the timeout plays of Calabarzon, able to settle the nerves down. Back to a 10-point lead with under 5 minutes to play as there's a 3 here from Luwage. That's a big miss.
As Pellegrino tracks down the loose ball. Balik sa labas kang Pellegrino. Great closeout. He pulls up. Jumper is up and missed. Rebound mapunta ka Mamawag. At momentum bumalik sa Calabarzon.
Perfectly said. Davao crowd again has gone silent here after that 7-point personal run ni Reinhard Panaligan.
Here comes Derek Duterte. Looks at the shot clock. Down to 8. Here comes Rain Panaligan with 5 to shoot. Goes to work. Down to 1 on the shot clock. And that's good defense from the Eagles, able to force the shot clock violation.
So is the time enough here for Davao to defend their crown. That remains to be seen here, but you can see the panic and the body language of some of the Davao players, and also on their bench, seeing some urgency here. But Calabarzon really able to hold things off after that run ng Davao kanina.
4 minutes to play in this gold medal game. Must-score situation for the Eagles. Pellegrino, Cayetano for 3 on the way! Wow! But still a 7-point game after that big-time 3 from Matt Cayetano.
Good find right there. Unselfish play from Maki Pellegrino, finding Matt on his favorite spot on the corner. Big-time shot for Mr. Cayetano.
7 to work with. Mamawag on the pull-up. Jumper's good. Quick answer for Mamawag ng Calabarzon.
Remember, this guy was clutch yesterday on their game. 3 3-pointers down the stretch. This time goes for the pull-up.
Pellegrino misses. And rebound tracked down by Gonzalez. At bola mapunta kang San Diego. I think Calabarzon will try to manage the clock. Deflected, knocked away. And here comes Davao Eagles on the fast break. Cayetano, same spot, same result! Down to a 6-point game, Ron.
Excellent play there by Rices Bayunting, pushing the action. Seeing Cayetano again, big time clutch 3 down the stretch. From the same spot, same result for Matt.
Down to 7 the shot clock. Mamawa goes to work kontra kang Luage. Step back, 3-pointer. That's good! Quick answer para dito sa Calabarzon.
Back to a 9-point game. This guy is so clutch. His 4th 3 of the game. Second basket here in the 4th quarter down the stretch. Maki attacks.
And Baterbonia missing the rebound attempt. That's Mamawag all the way for 2. We approach 2 minutes to play as Calabarzon now has a double-digit lead here in this final frame. Pellegrino will try a 3. This time is short. Another rebound for Calabarzon. And the Heroes are about to sense it here in this final period.
Calabarzon sensing blood here. Their bench already starting to have some celebration as this guy has put them away.
Mamawa puts it away! Big time basket after big time basket in the 4th quarter. He has been the crowd silencer in the 4th quarter in this final period for Mamawag. Here's our sharpshooter moment from J Project Clothing Shop. Timeout called by the Davao Eagles. This is a magical Cinderella run para dito sa Heroes ng Calabarzon. They're just under 2 minutes to play from clinching the gold medal in the boys high school basketball tournament of the 66 Palarong Pambansa. Nice ko pong i-shoutout. Happy viewing po sa inyo dyan. Kang Ma'am Joanne Relampagos, wala po sa Panabo City. Happy viewing po sa inyo dyan. Also, shoutout to Cheska Testa from Davao City. Thank you for watching sa ating live stream. And by the way, also gusto ko nung i-shoutout to my good friend from Manila, Patrick Edorso, Hoop Junkie. Hope to see you soon, paring Patrick.
Yep. Also, shout out to my family, Mena family, to the girlfriend, to my family of my girlfriend, Cherry Poas and Poas family watching this one. Also, we'd like to greet our good friend, a happy wedding day, Amon Cuquilla and Crisel Rebolio tying the knot today. So happy wedding to our good friends ni Ray dito. So I hope you have a lasting love. So we'll greet you here all the way from Agusan.
So shout out sa inyo diha, Emon. So hope to see you soon. So we're under 2 minutes to play dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. What an outstanding ball game. This is a magical run para dito sa Calabarzon. Another missed shot. And that has been the theme of this game for the Davao Eagles in the gold medal match. The 3-point shooting woes has been costly in this gold medal game, and I could see the frustrations, the disappointment on the bench of the Eagles ng Davao region.
Nothing to be ashamed of. They've gone a long way to be here, undefeated on their run. Will not be able probably to defend their ground with this 13-point lead with just 85 seconds left to play. but nothing to be ashamed of. Silver medal. You know, Ray, I was once a silver medalist in the Palarong Pambansa, but I was still very happy to get that silver medal. Hindi madali maging palarong player at mas lalong hindi madali makakuha ng medal dito sa palaro.
Oh, tama ka dyan, Ron. And not only here in the basketball event, there is a lot of records that have been broken in the other sporting events dito sa ating Palarong Pambansa. And there's Maki Pellegrino having a solid game, but unfortunately it's not yet enough para dito sa Davao Eagles. Bayanting will try a 3. Duwagin with the offense rebound. Putback is up. That's another missed shot. And there goes Derek Duterte leading the way in this magical run para dito sa Calabar Zone, specifically from the city of Antipolo, Rizal. So this team, itong Calabar Zone Heroes, composed of the players from the St. John Wort School sa Antipolo City, having a magical run. They had a big time win, an upset win against Central Luzon Patriots in the semifinals, and now they're just a minute away from capturing the gold medal. What an outstanding campaign, led of course by Coach Jasper Magnoron.
Not a lot of fans, not a lot of people expected Southern Tagalog to go this deep, but they have defied expectations. Coach Jasper Magno is a basketball wizard on the sidelines. Take a look at some of the emotional moments now for Calabar Zone. Might see a lot of tears here after this one. It will be a different tears for Davao too, as this will also be a different tears for Calabar Zone. They have worked their way to get into the top. Big time performance, big time run and tournament here for the team from Antipolo.
But nevertheless, these two teams will be winners kasi itong Davao Eagles will have the silver medal, samantala itong Calabar Zone will be under 50 seconds to play from capturing the gold medal. This Cinderella run will cap off with a gold medal for Calabar Zone. What an outstanding morning for the Calabar Zone Heroes.
Yep. Some will go home happy, some will go home crying. And also for this Davao team, some of them are graduating now, will go to college. Some of them will also go to a different school. So might be their last playing year here in the Palarong Pambansa.
A lot of great moments throughout this run for both Davao region and the Calabar Zone region. And Coach Jasper Magno, I'm pretty sure he's in disbelief of what he has achieved, what he has accomplished with the young boys, as the majority of the players are from the St. John Wort's Integrated School sa Antipolo. So shoutout natin sa ating mga kaibigan, mga students, faculty and staff of the St. John Wort School sa Antipolo. And they're about to savor this moment for Calabar Zone, and for the Davao Eagles. It has been a struggle, especially from beyond the arc in this ball game. It has been a different game compared to the semifinals game. Itong Davao Eagles, Ron.
Exactly. Davao weren't hitting their usual shots, especially from downtown. Some of the players here already feeling the emotions. Two different sides of emotions here. But of course, this is sports. May mananalo, may matatalo. Ganyan talaga yung buhay. So yun nga, sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, ang buhay ay weather lang. Might be the champion this year. You're not sure about next year. No one knows about the future. So just keep on going, keep on playing. We will see some players here na maglalaro pa next year. We might not see some also.
Here comes Bayanting for 3. And there's the rebound by Duterte as we still have 32 seconds to play dito sa ating gold medal match. And Coach Jess Evangelio and Coach Jasper Magno exchanging hands. And these two teams are about to exchange hands as the dream has come to a gold medal match, a gold medal game. The dream has accomplished. I have no words to describe with this accomplishment from the Calabar Zone Heroes. The Calabar Zone Heroes will get the gold medal in the high school.